Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on BigBear.ai just a couple of days ago, to be precise on December the 3rd of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $5.79. And at this point my main assumption was that this asset should land lower at this green rectangle, somewhere around $4.5 to $4.8. But first of all, it has to break this sloping line, the line that was the range of support for quite a while. And if this line holds, we might see the bounce out of this line and the breakout above $6.5 and probably even retest of $7.35. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of BigBear.ai. Let me zoom out a little bit and let me show you that it didn't break this line, and that is why this price target is eliminated right now, and it had a perfect bounce to the upside. And guys, I have to admit that no one has a crystal ball, and I can only react on the market and make an assumptions, and my assumption was 100% correct. We had a bounce out of this sloping line as the range of support, but my main assumption that we have to land at this point was incorrect, and it is totally okay, because I want to show you the most probable outcomes if certain conditions are met. And this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to receive a daily calls to action, to trade basically, and if you want to use my experience, you can still join my Patreon with a 50% discount. And the only thing that you need to do is just to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account with limited time offer, Black Friday 50% discount. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, on today's video I will show you what crucial levels do we have from the technical standpoint, and what news will be the catalyst for this stock within next 24 hours. So, and let me show you the general sentiment related to this stock. We don't have any type of changes in the bullish sentiment. If you type in Google search bar BBAI stock and switch to news tab folder, you will see several recent news. And to be honest, the most recent movement to the upside that gained, during which it gained about 26% to its value, guys. Well, for now I couldn't find what was the reason of this movement. In some sources you can see that Swiss National Bank purchases 186.6 thousand shares of BigBear.ai Holdings, and this article was published on December the 4th. And right here you can see that wait a second, another article pointing to the same exact news, that it was a purchase that was made by by Swiss National Bank. But take a look right here. This is the list of institutional investors, and here is the filing that was made by Swiss National Bank. But this filing was made on November 13th, and they added to their position just 2.26%, and they hold 564,600 shares. But right here you can see that the share count, the number of shares which belong to Swiss National Bank is 552.1 thousand shares. And guys, take a look right here. If you click on this square icon, you can see that this is the filings of Swiss National Bank, and you can see that on their previous filing that was made on August the 12th, they increased their holdings by 51%, but the most recent update is just 2.26%, and definitely this cannot be the news of its substantial bullish movement. And I have to admit that we still have the major news, the shareholder meeting that will take place within next several hours. You can see that the meeting was then adjourned with respect to the share increase proposal until December the 5th, 2025 at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, which means, guys, we have less than 12 hours till this catalyst happens, and depending on the results of this shareholder meeting that will be reconvened virtually, we might see the next leg of the BigBear.ai movements. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, I want to delete this green rectangle, and the bottom of our Y wave probably is right here. For now, we don't have 100% confirmation that this is the bottom. Pure confirmation will be breakout above this previous top. It is the top of the potential X wave. And as long as we are hovering above this bottom and this top, we can only assume that this is the bottom of the Y wave. But take a look right here. This substantial movement of more than 25% with an increase in volume. You can see that the volume is quite substantial compared to previous so-called ordinary volume, which means this is nothing else but a potential impulsive movement. And even in worst case scenario, if it is just an A, B, and C waves to the upside, again some kind of corrective wave, we have to have 5 waves in our C wave. And guys, take a look right here. From this bottom, we have only 3 waves. Let me mark it like this. This is the first, second, potentially the top of the third wave, fourth to be determined, and fifth wave to the upside. This is one count. The second count is following. If it is not an ABC correction, but if it is 1-2 waves, and we can clearly identify this movement from this bottom to this top as 5-wave structure, which means it can be an A wave, because A wave, wait a second, A wave might have 5 waves or 3 waves in it. B wave should strictly have 3 waves in it, and C wave should strictly have 5 waves in it. But on a more bullish count, guys, we might have, this is our 1 wave, this is our wave 2, this will be the top of our wave 3, potentially wave 4, and wave 5 to the upside. That will be the beginning of new uptrend. And how we can diversify these movements? Basically, for now, we don't need it, because we have very similar movements to the top of the third wave, and it might be the top of the C wave. And internally, we have at least one more leg to the upside that should break this previous top. And how deep, if the retracement from this top will continue, how deep the bottom of the fourth wave might be. To do so, to project this bottom, we have to pull the Fib retracement tool from this bottom to this top. And guys, this asset shouldn't break 0.5 level. In this case, the impulsiveness will be on the table, and if the $6.57 mark holds, we have very high chances to see the trend continuation in the impulsive structure, which means the top of the of the fifth wave internally, of the C wave if it is an ABC, or of the third wave if it is an impulsive movement to the upside of new trend, will be at around, I believe, around $6.8 mark. But first of all, guys, wait for potentially a little bit deeper retracement that shouldn't break $6.57 and then another leg to the upside. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap.